What? 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 Down, but I like started doing it to all aspects of my life. Like, and every time, wow!
I did get searched, but luckily didn't have anything on me. Yeah. I guess if it's in your system and not on your body.
Oh, there's nothing. They couldn't test for acid.
Yeah, they couldn't.
No. The only thing I did in Jamaica was waterfalls and jackfruit juice.
Yeah.
Some jerky.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's as wild as it got.
We had the same acid.
I was never offered anything.
No.
Nothing at all. I got cracked in the Elko shower. That was my time in Jamaica.
Yeah.
That was my time in Jamaica.
You guys are wild.
I can't even try to solve it.
Off the ground. You have to give your love away.
Fucking do it, man.
Inside the cemetery and buried alive.
Please, go.
Enjoy the ride. There's a woman yelling at some kids at a park. I guess they distracted her tennis game by, like doing kid things like phone and being loud.
Okay, so she lets them have it.
Here's the...
Forever. You're injured, and now you have to fight for justice or live your life in pain. Let me give you some straight talk. Your opponent is not the driver of the car that hit you.
We need the forklift over here.
Indeed, those unexpected growth can stretch your business thin.
Okay, those molds need to be adjusted. The shippers are coming at noon, so we gotta get this done.
Like at Dennis's plastic startup, to stay flexible, you need to get started hiring right away.
Coming out.
Half a mile.
Be like, I don't believe in the what? In alien. Oh, hold on. What you saying? That all of the life
place in the universe happen to be where you stand? I guess.
Jesus Christ!
Because when I bought mine, it had 97.
Yeah, we bout that. Do a lot of dirt, never doubt that. Lot of rap talk, never shot crap. Let them make their mouth flap. When it come to bird, no, we spout facts.
Blow your fucking house down. A £quarter in my trunk from the southbound. You see me coming as I'm whipping into downtown. Weed so loud that I'm smoking in surround sound. Got them hooked since I shook that pit. No one handed me the keys, so I took that shit. With Terry and Milton doing some hood rat shit. On my personal flow, I'ma whoop that trick.
I divided rhymes and had to plan a hybrid with the man who led this band who might have liked you more than I did. Or maybe as much, cause maybe that's what makes me wanna laugh.
Oh,
just break
fuck,
me right in
dude.
half, cause it really adds up dwelling on this sad stuff.
Fuck, dude.
Start your day with Boston's funniest morning show. Weekdays from 5:30 to 10:30 on Rock 92.9.
Guys, good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Is your car no longer stopping like it used to? Don't miss out on spring brake deals at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Our professional parts people will help you find the brake parts and supplies you need to do the job right the first time. You'll find great deals on brake pads
Good
and
job,
rollers,
guys.
fluids, degreasers, and more. Stop by O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Nobody there, go! That's a red light.
I'll be stepping the dance, but it was my time. Time to take flight right into the skyline. Off the beautiful women sipping on fine wine. Up at the stadium with the right rhyme. And I'm moving way past sound check. Still looking for...
Yeah.
How are you there?
It's open.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Grows hoarse. She takes a deep breath, starts screaming again, sprinting into the street. She looks like she's on fire without the fire. Unable to see with her shirt over her face, frantic and running full sprint, Mrs. Francis runs head first into one of the cluster boys. She's knocked back hard. Welcome to our job. It's the way life should be. Everything's pleasant.
Pierce, final seconds. Pierce puts it up for the win.
I was bleeding, no regard to sorry breathing. Okay, now the tables turn, I beat the objects, I got even. The devil a liar, one hell of a guy. If they win so quick, I do residue fire. I'm in Beverly Hills and I'm amphetamine pills. Burn on my back like Cruella de Vil. But you like I'm sitting on real. Fuck these niggas ain't hand out wheel. My hand, I still just stand on my toes.
Yeah, that's probably, you'd probably be late. Right now. Yeah, they're turning off all the lights around us while we're sitting in the fucking drive-thru. Also, why is this place closed?